Understanding your body type is the first step to effective fitness. It's crucial to recognize that each body is unique and requires a tailored approach. It's about working with your body, not against it. Embracing your natural form can lead to more sustainable and enjoyable fitness routines. We're all different, and our bodies respond to diet and exercise in unique ways. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. Think of your body type as your personalized fitness blueprint. This blueprint guides you in creating a plan that aligns with your physical attributes and goals. It helps determine what type of exercise and diet will be most effective for you. By understanding this, you can avoid common pitfalls and focus on what truly benefits you. This isn't about fitting into a box, it's about understanding your starting point. Your journey is unique, and so should be your approach. Knowing your body type empowers you to make informed choices. It gives you the confidence to pursue a fitness plan that is both effective and enjoyable. You can choose workouts that maximize your strengths and a diet that supports your goals. This holistic approach ensures that you are nurturing your body in the best way possible. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health and fitness. The more you know about your body, the better you can care for it and achieve your fitness aspirations. Ectomorphs are naturally lean and slender. They have a fast metabolism, meaning they burn calories quickly. Diet recommendations: focus on calorie-dense foods to fuel your metabolism. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice and quinoa. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Don't be afraid to indulge in occasional treats. Exercise plan: prioritize strength training to build muscle mass. Include compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Keep cardio moderate to avoid excessive calorie expenditure. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. Mesomorphs have a naturally athletic build with well-defined muscles. They gain muscle and strength easily, but can also gain fat if they're not careful. Diet recommendations: aim for a balanced diet with plenty of protein. Choose lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu. Incorporate complex carbohydrates and healthy fats in moderation. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise plan: you'll thrive on a combination of strength training and cardio. Vary your workouts to challenge your muscles and prevent plateaus. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be highly effective. Don't neglect flexibility and mobility exercises. Section 4. The endomorph: strong and curvy. Endomorphs have a softer, curvier physique and tend to gain weight more easily. They have a slower metabolism, but that doesn't mean they can't achieve their fitness goals. Diet recommendations: focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Choose lean protein sources and plenty of fibrous vegetables. Limit refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary drinks. Be mindful of portion sizes. Exercise plan: combine cardio and strength training for optimal results. Incorporate low-impact cardio like swimming or cycling. Focus on building muscle to boost your metabolism. Be patient and consistent with your workouts. Section 5. Finding your fit, embracing mixed body types. It's important to remember that most people are a combination of body types. This means you might not fit perfectly into one category, and that's completely normal. You might have the leanness of an ectomorph with the muscle-building potential of a mesomorph. This unique blend can be an advantage in your fitness journey. The key is to listen to your body and adjust your diet and exercise accordingly. Pay attention to how your body responds to different activities. Experiment and find what works best for you. Trying out different routines can help you discover what your body enjoys and benefits from the most. If you're unsure, consulting a certified personal trainer or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance. They can help tailor a plan that suits your unique body type and fitness goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. Everyone's journey is different, and that's what makes it special. Embrace your unique body type and focus on making healthy choices that make you feel your best. Nourish your body with the right foods and stay active in ways that you enjoy. Section 6. Your fitness journey tips for success. No matter your body type, consistency is key. Regular exercise helps build a routine that becomes second nature over time. Make fitness a sustainable part of your lifestyle, not a temporary fix. This means integrating it into your daily life in a way that feels natural and enjoyable. Here are some final tips to support your journey. Set realistic goals. Goals that are achievable and measurable will keep you motivated. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Find activities you enjoy. This will make it easier to stick with your routine. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. When you enjoy what you're doing, it becomes a rewarding part of your day. Choose activities that you find fun and motivating. Whether it's dancing, playing sports, or joining a group class, find what excites you. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Eating well is just as important as exercising. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods and listen to your body's hunger cues. Be kind to yourself. Progress takes time. It's important to be patient and persistent. Celebrate your achievements and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is progress, no matter how small. Remember, you are capable of achieving your fitness goals. Believe in yourself and stay committed. Embrace your body, work with it, and enjoy the journey. Your fitness journey is unique to you, so make it a positive and fulfilling experience.